The scene of an unprecedented newsreel record as President Culver addresses world leaders. Lowell's Planet X, discovered beyond the orbit of Neptune. Celebration turns to panic with news that the inhabitants of a fearsome race called the Gorg have launched a vast armada. Liftoff as satellites are sent to defend mankind's outposts on the moon, Mars, Jupiter, and beyond. Across the solar system, preparations are made to protect Earth from the relentless march of the Gorg. President Culver tells reporters there can be only one response to the Gorg threat. It's war.